Welcome back to this video. For every Chrome user, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see important settings you need to change right now before you start using Chrome browser on your phone. Let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on here, open up my Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to click on this three dots from the top right corner. So click on that. And next thing you need to do is to go to settings. That's going to take you right here. The first setting you need to change right here is to go to privacy and security right here. Click on that. Then under privacy and security, there are some settings you need to work on right here. Simply scroll down right here and then go to save browsing right here. Click on save browsing. When you click on save browsing, it takes you right here. Make sure you switch to enhance protection. Click on here. It's that simple. Then click on back. Then you are done with maximum protection when you are browsing any site with your Chrome browser. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. Then work on your always use secure connection. Click on here. That's going to take you right here. Then by default, make sure this is turned on. If it is not turned on from your hand, make sure you turn this on. Once you turn it on, make sure you switch to 1U for insecure public and private site. Make sure you choose this. With that, any website you visit, if the site is not secure, Google is going to send you a threat warning. It's that simple. Then go back. Next, make sure this particular button here is turned off. Next, right here, allow site to check if you have payment method saved. Right here. What you need to do is to make sure this particular button here is turned off. So this will give you a kind of control over your financial activities online. So make sure this here is very much important to be turned off. It's that simple. Then we can simply go back. Another setting we need to review right here in Google Chrome is to simply scroll down right here. Then we need to make sure we go to addresses and more right here. So simply click on that. So right here by default, if you have this turned on, what you need to do is to make sure you turn it off. By turn off this particular button right here, it simply means that your information like phone numbers, email address, shipping address, etc. will not be exposed to other websites or apps that you do not trust. Then with that, your privacy has been fully protected and your online footprint has been fully secure if you browse with your Chrome browser. It's that simple. These are the important settings you need to consider right now before you start using Chrome browser. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Chrome browser. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.